Ever wish Venmo could split bills automatically? Here's the ultimate life hack. Open the Venmo app, tap the menu, then go to Settings. Tap Payments, then choose Split or Request and start a new split. Enter the total amount, select Friends, and assign each person's share. Enable auto request and set reminders, frequency, and due dates. Review the preview and confirm to send automated split requests instantly. Want to edit later? Open Settings, Auto Requests, and tap any active split. Track payments. Green checkmarks mean paid, pending icons mean waiting. Tip: add friendly notes, clear amounts, and due dates to prevent confusion. Visual cue: use branded color accents, scribble overlays, and smooth transitions. If someone misses payment, send a polite reminder or pause the auto split. Try auto splits on your next bill. Save time, stop the math, and enjoy life.